Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down the basics, update the Ps4 system, sign in, and make the console primary so Shareplay permissions are correct. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable into your router. Wired is far more reliable than Wi-Fi. Next, pause any downloads and close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. This reduces lag and frame drops. It also prevents NAT conflicts. Finally, confirm both accounts have active PlayStation Plus. Shareplay requires it, so make sure that subscription is valid. You now adjust the network core. Assign a static IP to the Ps4 so router rules stay consistent, and then enable quality of service to prioritize that IP or MAC address. Once done, open or forward the PlayStation ports, especially 3478 through 3480 UDP/TCP and 1935 TCP, or enable UPnP if your router supports it to simplify sessions. Make sure competing devices aren't saturating upload bandwidth. If necessary, temporarily pause backups or streaming on other devices to preserve latency for Shareplay. You're ready to start Shareplay. Invite your friend to a party, select Shareplay, and pick the quality. Opt for 60 FPS if both networks can handle it. If you see stutter or disconnects, immediately switch quality to 720p or restart the session. Also ask the guest to use a wired connection. Most problems trace back to Wi-Fi jitter, so the single key fix is ensuring both players use wired Ethernet. This one change alone resolves the majority of Shareplay issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.